Woman accused of zipping her boyfriend up in a suitcase and left him, where he later died, is expected to face a judge this morning. Sarah Boone was taken to the Orange County Jail yesterday.
Deputies say Boone told them her boyfriend got in the suitcase during a game of hide and seek. Channel 9 Sarah Beth Ackerman live at the Orange County Jail right now. And Sarah Beth, this is an unbelievable story.
Yeah, Nancy, this one is a crazy story to say the least. Now, the woman told investigators that the pair happened to be drinking, thought it would be funny after they were playing hide and seek to hop in a suitcase. But meanwhile, right now, her boyfriend is dead. She's currently inside the Orange County Jail right now in connection with his death. Investigators say this woman, Sarah Boone, zipped her boyfriend into a suitcase and left him, ultimately leading to his death. This morning, she's in jail facing second-degree murder charges. According to the booking report, it says Boone and her boyfriend, Jorge Torres Jr., were playing a game of hide and seek in their apartment. Boone told investigators they thought it would be funny if he got inside the suitcase. She also told deputies the pair had been drinking when she decided to go upstairs. That's when she fell asleep. That entire time she was napping, investigators say her boyfriend was trapped in that zipped-up suitcase, losing oxygen. Boone told deputies when she woke up several hours later to her cell phone ringing over and over again, that's when she said she searched the apartment and did not see her boyfriend. According to the arrest report, that's when she said, quote, she realized he possibly was still in that suitcase. She unzipped the suitcase and found he was not breathing. Not long after that, the Orange County Fire Department pronounced him dead. And deputies also found 2 cell phone videos from that day on Boone's phone. We'll get to those details, what was on those cell phone videos and what you can hear coming up in just 30 minutes. For now, reporting live outside the Orange County Jail, I'm Sarah Beth Ackerman, Channel 9 Eyewitness News.